Hello everybody, welcome to my challenge activity for 3.2.1 to variable K map basics. So I am currently in a combinational logic 2, and in this activity we are looking for the minterm, and in this square. So basically this square is we're gonna have two inputs, A and B, and we're gonna have they're gonna give us an input to be choose in which square that this input gonna be showing up. So so for A, B, not B, I mean, so which means that in minterm it means that A is 1 and B is 0 because the B is not. So that would be, so if we look at A side, we want A to be 1, so that is this, and we want B, the not B, to be 0, so this will be this square right here. Check, that's right. And to the next one, we do the same thing. So this time the A is a not and the B is a normal, so that would be 0 and 1, and so we look for the 0 for A and a B, 1 for B. So this is this, easy. And next one is both of the term A and B is a not, so both of them will be in the 0 square, which is right here. Easy. So for this we have an O in the middle, so basically we have two minterms to be looking for. So first minterm is the not A and the B, so the A is gonna be 0 and the B is gonna be 1, so that's 1. And for the second term is the A is gonna be 1 and the B is gonna be 0, so it's this one, then boom, easy. Alright, two terms again, both of the A and B are not, so there will be 0, 0 in minterm. And this one, A is a 1 and B is a not, so that will be this. And just like the other problem, basically two term again, so since the A is a not, it will be a 0 and B is a 1 because minterm. So it will be this, and A and B, both of them show up, so both of number 1, so B 1, A 1, so this is the square to connect, and that's it. Alright, thank you guys.